Hello guys, today our friends of Sawadika have sent us this custom neon light. Let me show you all the customizations, all the accessories that you can actually choose from. This sign is actually made out of acrylic. It has silicone right here on the letters and also the LEDs. Some of the accessories that you can definitely choose, it is the power supply, just like this, so that we can have it connected all the time. You can actually choose the LED controller, and here is the remote that comes with it. You can also choose the battery options where you can actually just make it battery operated. You will also get this B connector. Okay, this is going to be directly going to the sign, just like this. And this end will connect it to your power supply. In this case, since we have the LED controller, we're going to be connecting the LED controller to the sign and the LED controller to the power supply. All right, so now that everything's connected, we will turn it on. There we go. Look how nice this is. Also, we'll have the pre-drilled holes so that way you can install it easier. Right now, it still has a protective film because we're not going to remove that until we get it installed. It is completely custom made. You can actually decide what size you want this. This is totally about 36 inches, okay, you know, from this point to the largest setting. Okay, so I mean, it is completely custom. You can actually create your own for your event, for your bedroom, for your wedding, for a birthday party, just, you know, for whatever purpose you want the neon sign. You can actually create your own, or just do like we did. You know, we actually gave them our logo for the Celtic family, and you know, that's what, you know, we actually got. Okay, they actually rendered this and sent us an example of how it was gonna look, and this is the final result. The whole process was pretty fast. All these accessories are optional. Obviously, they do have different costs, so you definitely have to check for that. But definitely, I will just recommend to just get them all because you will need them. The installation is very simple. You get provided with some anchors and some screws and also some screw caps. Let's get it installed. The installation is very simple. You first have to decide where you want to install this. Once you are satisfied with the position where you want it, then you can actually proceed to mark your wall and then proceed to install your anchors. Once all the holes and everything has been drilled onto the wall and all the anchors are in position, now it's time to pass all the cables because I'm going to put them through the wall so that way I don't get to see any of the wire. Before we mount our neon sign on the wall, we're going to remove this plastic that comes on the back. All right, look how beautiful it looks. We finally finished installing our neon sign and it looks fabulous. It looks amazing. Look at the colors, look at how bright it is. With the remote control, you will actually have, you know, several functions. You can actually turn it off or turn it back on with the remote. You don't have to physically go to the switch or be unplugging it. Now, it will have a dim mode, so you can actually dim it down and you can actually brighten up. It looks spectacular. It has 10%, 20%, 30%, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. So it's very, very bright. It has a lot of modes. It also has a timing mode, so you can actually set it to just turn on for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, for 30 minutes, or 60. It also has a couple modes. So it has this mode right there. It has this other mode. This is another mode right there. That one looks pretty cool. This one, I mean, that looks like electrifying. That's pretty cool. And whenever you just want to go back to the light, you just press light. Okay? So even if you turn it off, since I actually chose the option for similar color as the neon jacket, it's going to actually have that color while it's off. So you can actually have an idea of what color it's going to turn on. And whenever it turns on, then it's just gonna look, you know, spectacular. This can actually go with your parties, with any events, with a wedding. It is very versatile. You can use it outside, you can use it inside, you can just decorate it however you want. I hope that the information about this custom neon sign was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.